Breathe. I can't believe I get to stand here today and marry you, Aaron, the most beautiful, hardworking, and creative person I've ever known. You always amaze me with the things you can dream up. You envisioned this entire beautiful wedding, put countless hours into planning it. You also saw through the cracked veneer that is our home and designed it into something I've only seen in magazines. I've loved helping build your dream and bringing it to life. And I promise to always have a white canvas, a paintbrush, and a toolbox waiting for us for as long as I can hold a hammer and nail. Aaron, you stuck with me early on in our relationship during my adventures through California and Africa. We barely had any communication for 4 months straight, but yet you stayed with me. And I'm so grateful you were there to greet me on my fall back to reality. I'm the luckiest guy to have found someone who loves to adventure as much as I do, and I promise to always have 2 sets of hiking gear ready for us on whatever journey we could think of next. Aaron, your charm moves me every day. Your ability to make me laugh at the goofiest things keeps a smile on my face, even during my most stressful times. I don't know why you think I'm funny sometimes, but I barely have to crack a joke and you start laughing, like right now. But I promise to you is to never stop being ordinary and to always find something that makes you chuckle. Aaron, I can't promise you the world, but I promise to always come home and give you a big hug every time I come back from work. I promise to always cook for you even till we're old and our teeth are falling out. To always take you out to dinner even after we've eaten at every restaurant in the city. To be there for you through the good times and the bad. To be your best friend till the very end. Aaron, I love you and I can't wait to say I do.
I love you too. My dearest Connor, we finally made it. Everything here today, the smiles, the music, the company, it's all here for us. We have been looking forward to this day for so long. And there's nothing that could make me happier than standing here with you now, surrounded by our loved ones, ready to start the rest of our lives together. I had known from that very first day I met you by the fateful popcorn machine that you were filled with goodness. We stayed as long as we could at Mondays that night because we didn't want to leave each other's company, and now we never have to. The people we were when we first met 5 years ago are not the same people we are today, and we won't be the same people 20 years from now. But I know that growing and building this relationship with you has been and will be the greatest blessing of my life. If I could look back and talk to my younger self, I would tell her about you. I would tell her about the exciting life we have started together and how she has found her person. He holds my hand when I don't need words, but when he speaks words, they are kind. He does the dishes and makes a great salmon dinner you're gonna love. And he gets along with your family. And you guys are gonna adopt a really difficult dog and love her so much. There's so many beautiful things to say about life since it's been shared with you. I can only imagine the amazing things that future us will wish they could say to us now. Even though I am a very indecisive person, I can truly say I am so certain of us. So certain that no matter what happens in life, it's you. You are my person, my life partner, and my forever best friend. To celebrate the little wins and to support each other through the bumps along the way. I will forever be grateful for the support from our family and friends who have helped shape our paths that led us to today. And we are lucky to lean on them in our future, especially our parents who have shown us what true marriage means. I know the commitment you place on marriage, and I know that today you are choosing me for life. I am a better person just by knowing you, and I know that everyone here can say the same. Today I see these vows not only as promises, but as my greatest privileges. I promise to love you when love is easy. I promise to love you when love is hard. I promise to hold you when you need support. I promise to carry your burdens when they are too strong to bear. I promise to make our family's happiness and love my priority. And I promise to keep finding new adventures and be the best friend and partner through this lifetime and beyond. I am the luckiest girl on this earth because you chose me, and I'm gonna be the best partner in life that I can. I love you.
We're gathered here today in this beautiful, creative, and inspiring space to witness the marriage of these two beautiful, creative, and inspiring people. This is where I tear up. Oh, just keep breathing. Your marriage begins today with the vows and promises you speak to one another. This vow is a promise of support, honesty, and fidelity through all of life's adventures. I want to reflect on what Aaron and Connor are committing to today. In thinking about what they're building and the foundation of their happiness, it kept coming back the word choice. God gives everyone in our family to us. Our only choice with our family is our husband or our wife, who we marry. It is with this choice we start a new family and a new beginning.
It's too small.
Connor and Aaron, I believe in my heart that you both have chosen wisely. We all know you guys are right for each other. And now, having pledged your love for and loyalty to each other, and having sealed this pledge with wedding rings, I do hereby pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss your bride. It is my honor to present to you for the first time, Mr. and Mrs. Connor Aaron Yanda.
How long will I love you? As long as stars are above you. Longer if I count. How long will I need you? As long as the seasons need to follow their plan. How long will I be with you? As long as the sea is bound to wash upon the sand. How long will I want you? As long as you want me to. And longer by far. How long will I hold you? As long as your father told you. As long as you can. How long will I give to you? As long as I live through you. However long you say. How long will I love you? As long as stars are above you. Longer if I may.
When we think about a great brother, a best friend, or a spouse, it'd be tough to describe one better. And they say younger siblings look up to older siblings. But I honestly believe the opposite to be true.
Growing up, we were each other's other half. Like, all that mattered to us was our communication with each other and our culture with each other. And you're not just my other half. Like, you're literally his other half now.
So here's to the fine couple before us, Connor and Aaron. Here's to the friends and family around us, and to the love between us.
So excited for the rest of the night and dancing.
I'll go to the ends of the earth with you.